It's the microphone, boo. Go on, get down, girl. Go.
I'm going to close one end of this. There we go, TP2 did hit there. Nice. Yes. Beautiful stuff. TP2 hit. Plus 80 pips. We are flying today. Absolutely flying. Set break even. And now my final TP will be written until 506, so let's just see how that goes on. For an extra £64 to the balance. I hope that points forward. Simple as just flying this week. Yes, it is for sure. For sure it is. For sure it is. Who's the dot? I want to know who's the dot plus Dixie. They need to put the train on before I obviously do anything. I don't know who that mysterious person. Who's the dot? Are you gonna tell me who you are?
Welcome in, guys. Welcome in.
Trade this week so far.
Testing 1, 2. Hopefully you can hear me nice and clearly.
Absolutely flying. Absolutely flying. I think 7 of the 8 have been TP2s or more as well, which is even better. Phenomenal. Absolutely phenomenal. The levels is just crazy. The results are just, you're not going to get them anywhere else. That's a fact. I wonder who the dot is. I can't figure it out, but I just can't. 37k likes as well. This is beautiful stuff. Gang. $40k now. Yes, let's get it. Let's get 40k. How are we looking? Well, what I'll do is next time I'm with you, I'll teach you how to place the trades and stuff. You can start doing it. Get used to it. Daily Hodges, I've transferred that.
Yes, people. What's going on? Welcome in, welcome in. What's up, what's up? Hopefully you boys can hear me alright. Welcome in if you're live on YouTube. A little bit late today, but we are here. We are here. We are ready to rock and roll. See if we can activate this flare straight off the bat. Let's see. Oh yeah, nice. Love that. How's everyone doing? Did everyone have a good weekend? Did anyone take any trades yesterday? Welcome in, guys and girls. Okay. Got the... Hang on a minute. I can't remember if we were rocking. I think, if I'm not mistaken... Got here, so... Let's get some tunes going. Yes, yes. Excuse me, Jesus. I appreciate if you didn't chew that cable. That would be amazing. While I'm sitting right here in front of you. Oh. Welcome in, everyone. Okay, so we're just going to work forwards here on Euro USD. I joined at the wrong moment. Did you? Why are you joining at the wrong moment? Who's chewing what? Well, the cat came up onto my lap. I stroked her and then was like, right, go on. And she just looked at me, looked down at my charger lead for my PC, and just started chewing it. I said, I appreciate if you didn't stare me in the eyes while you're chewing my things. Okay, so what I'm doing here is we're just looking at the previous price action to determine whether this low is our true low currently. The cat, yeah. Guys, so don't forget to double tap the screen if you haven't already. If you aren't part of the fan club, now is the time to join. Yes, yes, yes. Oi, oi. Okay, so I'm just tracking it from the lows, running the high. This is your range here. Then we come below the low right here. This is your high. Let's just track this point. From here, that becomes the high point. We close above right there, so we can change the colour of that. Following again, that becomes your low. The high is placed here. So right now, that's your high to low move. so from this point, we're either looking for a run lower or we're looking for it to continue in the bullish narrative, which is the more probable out of the options. Euro, British pound. That's in a bearish directional movement right now. Your entry would have been over here at like 11:30. I was in the queue for the car wash at that time. I don't know what the fuck this song is. Yeah, man. Okay, so this would be your entry point right here. Remember, anything that we're not in, we're just not redoing anything, but we're showing you the point you would have traded it from if you was in that entry or if you were looking to trade it, right? It would have been here. This would have been your entry point. For sells, it would have been short through these lows like so. Stop above this high right here. TP would be either 1 to 5 or 1 to 2.5, or you'd aim for the low. That obviously is going to be down to the individual depending on how you decide to trade it. For me, I'm more inclined to go for a 1 to 2.5 just because it's a quicker in and out. But we do have a valid target here, so obviously aiming for the valid target is the preferable outcome for a larger move. In terms of the movement we've seen though, I would have been moving my stop to break even after this shift lower. More probable, we would have seen a break even outcome for this. That's the Brooklyn way. Because they miss me. Yo, thank you for the likes, guys. I appreciate it. Welcome in, Force. What's going on, brother? Sabs, welcome, man. Eddie, welcome in. Growing Limits. Appreciate you, man. Because I dropped out of high school. And if you don't know, now you know who you are. Sega Genesis. Damn, boy. Gold is so ready to go higher. Back into the all-times. Back into the all-time highs. When we thirsty. Biggie, you know that, man. You know that. We just got a playlist on shuffle, so. TikTok's so soft though that I always get scared that it's gonna like hear words in a song and get fucking, because it does. You know what I mean? It pings the live stream stuff. This is gold, mate. I'm gonna add the watermark for you guys. There we go. Guys, don't forget to double tap that screen. Yeah, again, we're expecting this to continue here. Wow, look at that. Flying. Can you explain what you're doing here? Yes, mate. Yeah. So what we're doing is we're using a collection of data-backed rules to recognize certain data sets within the market, which we then use with a mathematical basis to trade into a bearish or bullish movement. So to trade into up or down movement. And people say, trading's gambling or stuff like this. But the reason why that's not correct is because if you're using mathematics to back up something that you already have statistics on, then you can't, numbers don't lie. You can't fake mathematics essentially. So what we do is we use the very simple rule-based system, which you can learn for free, by the way. If you click the link in my bio, you can go to the YouTube channel. You can also go to the website, get the indicators for free for 30 days if you want to give them a try. And then we trade based off of that. And over a long period of time, it gives us a return. All of the risk is set by the user. All of the, how would I say? All of the statistics that we use are collected in a true collection software. So it's a true data collection software. It's not just like, oh, we've done a week. It should work. So yeah, that's what we're doing essentially. So it can be a little bit boring, but again, if it was entertaining, it'd be a different story, wouldn't it? Welcome in, everyone. So predictable outcomes. What's your biggest loss? Well, this is the thing. Gold is flying, I know. The biggest loss I've taken is 1% of my account, because that's the risk I set on every single trade. So obviously, instead of, because what a lot of people will show you, especially on TikTok and stuff, they'll show you monetary values and they'll show you like dollar values, when in reality dollar values are irrelevant because it's your account size that depicts the loss you take, and it should always be used in a mathematical basis, not in a monetary basis. The reason people use money is because it draws people in and they use it as a marketing tool. Surely then if it if you only set 1%, the markup doesn't be much either then. Well, we do a minimum 1 to 3 return. A minimum 1 to 3. So if you think about it, let's say you've got a 10k account, and 10k 1% risk is 100. So if you make one winning trade, that's $300. And we average 5 trades a week. We average a 50 to 60% hit rate. And then if you scale that up to 100k, for example, you're risking 1,000 per trade. You're winning 3,000 minimum, but you're losing 1,000 maximum. Okay, let's just have a look on AU. Wanna give the answer? Oh no. You wanna roll? Yes, sir. You're making money like me. Okay, it's not really that useful for us. Till I come jumping at Addison Lee. Okay, so that was the. Let's have a look here. Okay, low is the same. That was your high point. Did you run the high? So this is where we are at the minute. Never used to answer. Okay, so ideally dilly would be close above the high. Yeah, then track a move down. That would be the ideal. So remember last week we had our MetaTrader up on the screen and we were showing you guys the entry, the account, the wins, the losses, and we got banned twice. So no MetaTrader for us because we don't want to cop another ban. But yeah, I mean, we'll save that for the Discord. What's the indicator? You've got the money in, money out indicator on the screen right now. You can go and grab that for 30-day. If you want to go and give it a test out, you can. Links in the bio. If you want to go and learn some more about it, we've got YouTube videos explaining how it works. If you want to learn the core principle that it's based around, you can go to the YouTube as well and watch the Keep It Simple series. But the beauty of the indicator is it's the system we use on a daily basis. It just is automated, so it allows you to not have to analyze every aspect of the market, and you can set an alert. So if you're waiting for a money in or a money out to appear, you can just let the indicator notify you. You know, you don't have to sit and wait for it to happen. Oof, look at that. So close to TP. Eh. Yeah. Welcome in, everyone. Yeah, so obviously we're a little bit later than we would be. Normally we'd be live at 11. And it's obviously 1:30 now, so we are a little bit late. We've got 25 minutes until we got existing home sales for the USD. Yes, we were saying earlier that the higher time frame is in a bullish direction. Based off of that principle, we're looking for price action to deliver down into the lows. We've got 25 minutes till news. Very possible that it shifts price action. We'll see. Did everyone have a good weekend? I'll be back in 2 minutes, guys. Yo, we're back. Welcome in, welcome in. This is how we chill from 93. 93 chill. This is how we chill from 93. This is how we chill. From 93. Okay, let's see. Hold up, hold up. This is how we chill from 93 chill. This is how we chill from 93 chill. This is how we chill from 93. Welcome in, welcome in. Hey. Welcome in, boys. Welcome in. Okay, just double check. We're close above the high. We have. Sweet. Okay. It's a bit much. Your birthday. It's your birthday. Out of the club. Yes, yes. Welcome in. Getting robbed. Not to. He's up. Weed up. For a player pimp. Okay, the main thing that I'm watching right now is GU. GU is in this range right here. So what we can do is we have a couple of options. We can either try and short if it gives us a money out within here on the 5 minute. We can potentially take a short if it gives us a money out, or we can wait for it to shift below the low. Either is valid. So I mean we can see what the 5 minutes saying to us. We're gonna have at least 10 minutes before it delivers any money out though. We just dial up. What the money pile up? With a bottle of dough. Eee. Okay, let's go over to Euro here. Bum, bum, bum. Let me go back to Euro here. That hit TP. So this. Back to the 15. With GU here. Okay. So what we're going to do is we're going to set a money in, money out signal here. Yeah, that's valid. $5 minute. Back to Oi, oi. I'm taking back for her. Okay, still got time on that. Didn't close below the low, so you're bullish there. This is your low point that we're looking at. So you're on the 1 minute. Oh, actually, hang on. No, the low point is actually here. If we close below that, then we're going to shift to bearish. Obviously, ideally, we'd rather not. We can't stop it. If it wants to do it, it wants to do it. So we'll see what happens. Clean. Yeah, so. Ooh, okay. Let's have a look at this instead. Can you get notifications that people are getting universes sent to them? I don't know why it's telling me that. Let's see. I'm on a way. Where's the where are the regular boys at then? Obviously for sure here. Hope you're good, man. The problem the second we go, you know, second we're a little bit late or we're not on schedule, TikTok's like no viewers for you. Same with YouTube, to be fair. Let's see. Remember what I said? We're either waiting for a close below here, or we're going to try and trade this long up into the highs. We'll see. One or the other. Obviously, we've got 7 minutes till we've got home sale news, so we're kind of stuck in limbo mode at the minute because we can't trade through news. So we're just going to wait and see what happens. But of course, 7 minutes is not enough time for us to form our money in on the 5 minute. We need at least 10 minutes. Beats. Mommy. Baby. Welcome in, welcome in. Six minutes. You went to one dance. Let's go and dance, baby. Before me. Good reaction from that 15-minute area. It's good reaction. We have no confirmation yet though, so we're just gonna wait. So remember what we're doing. We're waiting for the market to deliver price action that aligns with our narrative. What we're not doing is we are not trying to trade off of an idea. We're waiting for price action to deliver the directional movement that we want to see, and then we will potentially take an entry if we see criteria met. What we're not going to do is we're not just going to run into an entry that we're seeing because we believe price action is going to go up. That's not the basis of what we're doing. The basis of what we're doing is only when price action begins to actually deliver and start to articulate itself in a way that we can actually relate, for example, our daily bias, then we can trade it, or the range that we're currently sitting within. When you're always for me. Remember, any questions, guys, make sure you ask. Next. Ugh. Welcome in, everyone. Welcome in. But I'm up once. Can't even dip man for a dance. Get out my lane. Let's see, Euro here. How long we got till news? 2 minutes till news. This is looking good. One minute left. I've literally heard these tunes. Yo, thank you everyone for the likes. I appreciate the likes. We've got 49,000 likes right now. See if we can get that to 50, shall we? News is in. It's positive news for the USD, so we'll expect to see continual downwards price action for our USD secondary pairs, that's GU and EU. Boy. Did everyone have a good weekend? Hope you did. Shoot up the place. Could be having my baby. Baby. Here we are, 54 minutes in to the live stream. Are we 54 minutes in? I think we're 54 minutes in, yeah. Okay, no money out has appeared here, so it's not something we're going to be trading this downwards move. We're going to wait for a valid shift. If we see a valid shift, then we will look to sell it down. Got me big papa. Could be having my baby. Baby. Force, did you have a good weekend, brother? Hope you did, mate. Bam, bam. Shoot up your face. Baby. Ba, ba, ba. One, two. Up with the echelon. Saying hello. So she's putting a light here. Good company. Well, I'm sorry to hear that, man. I'm sorry to hear that, bro. But just know the community's always here, brother. How's Istanbul? What's Istanbul like? Obviously, I know you weren't there sightseeing, so it's a bit different, but... YouTube crew. One for me. Shady MK. We're not buying anything right now, man. Shady, if you want to go and grab the indicators that we use, check the link in the bio, my man. Maybe go up the shot. Where you from? UK? Yeah, yeah. What about you, man? Basically dodging COVID, but welcome in, man. Welcome in. How's things in Kenya, bro? I can't have no involvement. Home alone, Macaulay Culkin. Wow, so no money out formed there. Yo. Very soon we will be hard to find capital here, man. Yeah, I imagine it is, man. But you got internet connection though, bro. So the endless possibilities, brother. Yo, Toby, thanks for the likes, man. Appreciate it. Yeah, good. Thanks, man. Good, 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 good. Euro GBP. Okay, this is looking good. Right, so remember what we said earlier. Money out. Yeah, so money out on the 15-minute. This is one of the simplest ways you can use this indicator, right? Money out on the 15-minute. And all you do is come down to the 5-minute and wait for a money out to form after contacting, right? Right here. This gives you your entry area. Stop loss goes above the highest pivotal and you aim for a valid low. It's a really, really fucking simple system. You can't get any more simple than that. So same thing here. We're now in a 15-minute money in. No VR today? Nah, not today, man. I had to take my partner to the hospital this morning and it takes time to set up and I thought I'd rather just go live, get it done rather than spending like 35 minutes setting it all up and that. Tomorrow I'll be back on the VR. So yeah, how you doing, though, man? You good? I take it you're not live no more. Also, the 1-minute entry, the order flow entry here, it's probably the tightest TP. The tightest TP. It literally tapped it by a couple of points and then it's reversed since then. Do you do giveaways? Yeah, we are going to be doing a giveaway soon. We're going to be doing a full indicator giveaway. is going to be COT data indicator, money in, money out indicator, order flow indicator, and then we've got a couple others that we're adding in as well. And it'll be lifetime access. And we're also we've got some funded accounts that we're going to be giving away as well. Goddamn, goddamn. Okay, so to add context to what I was explaining here about the money in, money out, we're looking for another money in to appear, right? But the way the money in, money out works, you can only see one after the other has appeared. Yeah, so you have a money out, then the next one can only be a money in. You see a money in, the next one can only be a money out. So we haven't had another money out since the last money in, meaning that we're not going to see a money in delivery here. Now, why is that relevant? Well, it's relevant, one, because our bias is bearish. You can't actually see it because I haven't set the screen up properly. We were looking for a money out to form within here. We didn't get it. But this tells us that we're probably going to continue higher. Now, if we don't continue higher, we have a point on the 15-minute that we're looking for price to close below. If we close below this low right here, we will go for shorts. Otherwise, we're going to wait and see if price wants to shift higher, and then we may try and buy it with a low risk entry. But from the way that we're sitting currently, I believe we could continue down here. Gold absolutely taking off. It was flying beautifully. It ran some higher time frame highs in here and here, and now it's starting to reverse. But again, this is pretty normal for gold. Inactivity detected. I don't know why it says inactivity detected, bro. It's so dumb. Yo, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Oh, we rise, we fall, tied to it all. How do I participate in the giveaway? Just make sure you're in the Discord. That's where we'll be doing the announcements, my man. Yeah, that's where we'll be doing the announcements, brother. Some comments in this live were filtered to protect the community experience. What was filtered? Okay. That's weird. Who's typing sus messages? Someone, yeah. Time is a healer. Take this from me. Go back here to gold. We said this earlier as well. Take it easy, Toby. Have a good one, man. Peace and love, brother. Have a good workout. Silver is looking good for some more longs on that. It's looking good. Looking good. Yeah. Let's see if we get a money in here on euro, that will confirm a long for us. Let's see. Wait for it to appear. So we've got another 2.5 minutes on this, and then another 5-minute candle after that. So a little bit of time, but nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy at all. Have a look here. Can I play this forwards? Yeah, we did get a little sell from there. Nothing too crazy. This looks good right now. Let's see. What did I do? Hang on, I swear earlier we had more likes, no? $27.9. Yo, thank you for the follow. I appreciate it. Right, so another 5 minutes. We might be confirming a long move here. Wait for the money in. You can aim for here, or you can aim for here. Still waiting for the money in to come. look for a quarter the price. Living with the last night. Business before pleasure. What? Right, so we're still looking for this to move higher, but we need to confirm 61 likes. Mm, mm, mm. Remember mileage, trips to Knightsbridge, Old Jemima. Like I know that. Another 1 minute 50. Yo, thank you for the follow. Appreciate it. It's like skeletons dancing. Sorry, what? Huh. Okay. What's going on, Sammy boy? Welcome in, brother. System sync delays. Yeah. Okay, there's the money in. Let's set our order here. You may just get here with a Rico. Hey. Okay, let's just get this risk in place. Hey. Hope you're all good, man. I just get here with a Rico. Yo, Forex Trade, I appreciate the follow, man. Big love. Yo, we got here 14.7. Okay, yeah. Uber around at my house and call a taxi. Let's see then. How's everyone doing anyway? Is everyone good? Hopefully everyone's good. Second we get an entry, it's just like stagnant. Classic. Classic. Feel like I did too much. Let's get nada. Come on now. Didn't quite get it at the area we were looking for here. Go to Euro, same thing here. Although it's theoretically impossible for it to be another sell. It's about to run without us by the looks of things. Oh wow. Of course you're going without us. The other option we had was to buy it from here, but with this, your stop's got to either be tight to here, or it's got to be down to the low. So obviously, the reward there is not great. So the reason we're going for what we have here is because it gives us a much better return, regardless of whether it taps into us or not. It's one of those things. It happens, you know. It happens. Gorilla me. Philosophy. Dream on. Dream on. Okay. Yes, scoreboard. Ah. Dun, 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 dun. Oh my, this is long. Nothing here, nothing. It's dead right now. Dead, 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 dead. Mm-mm-mm-mm. Right in the back base. Back to the top like this. That's when I need to be, that's when I need to be low. Oh. Mm-mm-mm. Live life on reverse. To reap what it deserve. Oh, 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 oh. Ay, 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 ay. Enjoy, man. Take it easy, brother. Peace out. Need to be right now. I don't wanna. I don't need to be right. I don't need to be right. Okay, let me update that quick. Quick. Oh my gosh, what do that for? Holy smokes. Now I'm rocking here on a rocking chair. Self-centered. Is that the 12 cents? Ay, ay. Right, we're gonna wrap this up, I think, boys. Yeah, we'll be back tomorrow, normal time. Price is pretty slow right now, so we'll cut it here, and then even in New York, you know, it's dead right now. So we'll cut it here, and we'll be back tomorrow with some more setups. So yeah, I appreciate every single one of you for joining me. Peace and love. See you tomorrow. Ciao.